G'day cocktail lovers, this is one of my favourite cocktails, the Sazerac, but it's a Sazerac with a difference. It's made with cask strength spirits. Now cask strength whiskey is not that unusual, you see them quite a lot, but I've also used a cask strength brandy. It's the first cask strength brandy I've had. I thought it needed to be something special, and so a Sazerac it was. Let me explain the ingredients. It's actually from samples. I went to a local market where several distillers were purveying their wares and had quite a good time doing tastings of gins, whiskies and brandy. I decided to pick up a few samples. Of course I did. And these are from localish distilleries, both within about an hour or so of where I live, but in different directions. This is from the Bellarine distillery. It's out along the coastline, about an hour out of Melbourne. And this is their single malt, one of their single malt whiskies. It's cask strength. It's really good. Like, I really like this. This is from a distillery in a very different direction, the Imbu distillery. They do gins, liqueurs, and whiskies as well, but they also do this, a cask strength brandy. And as I said, never had a cask strength brandy before, so I decided I had to try it. This being a Sazerac, we need an absinthe rinse. I'm using my cheeky bright blue absinthe for this. There's a few ways you can get that light absinthe touch, the rinse, for doing a Sazerac. One is literally rinse the glass, put a little absinthe in, swirl it around, tip out the excess, or at least I say don't waste it, tip it into something else you're going to drink. Another thing is if you have a spritzer, you can put a fine mist of absinthe in, or you can even just put like half a bar spoon into your mixing glass when you're doing it. The method I like is to actually put it into the glass when you're chilling it. Now Sazerac is traditionally served without ice, so you do want the glass you serve it in to be really cold. I chilled the glass, I filled it with ice, and I poured about 1/3 of an ounce or 10 mils of absinthe over that. Now that's going to have a bit of water added to it, so you get the looshing effect you get when absinthe has water added. It'll go a bit milky, and it's going to give you a nice little chaser. So I have this to go after my drink, a little half shot of absinthe to enjoy with it, but I want to enjoy the Sazerac first, so I'm going to give it a taste before I show you how to make it. It's a fantastic drink. You really use good quality, whether you do a brandy Sazerac, a whiskey, a rye, or a blend like what I'm doing. Use good quality ingredients in a Sazerac. It is a fantastic drink. Here's how we make it. In a mixing glass, put 1 ounce or 30 mils of the whiskey of your choice, and 1 ounce or 30 mils of the brandy of your choice. Then we're doing about 10 mils, 1/3 of an ounce of a brown sugar syrup, and 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Add ice to the glass. I'd normally stir for 20 to 25 seconds. I'll do it a bit longer here because of the cask strength ingredients, so it's nice and chilled and a little bit of dilution. And then I'm straining that into the absinthe rinsed rocks glass, and garnish, just doing a twist of lemon, getting some nice lemon oils over there, and dropping the lemon twist straight in the drink. And so there we have our Sazerac, and the way I do it, you get a little absinthe chaser to go with it. I mean, if you dumped it in there, it would be a completely different drink. The whole idea of the Sazerac is there's just the light notes of absinthe in there, which really accents the spirit that you put in. It's a really good drink. If you've never had one, I do recommend you try it. If you like your boozy drinks, this is a classic. I'm going to sit back and enjoy this, and then enjoy this, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. Until such time as I do, I will say, cheers.